Hi friends, it's Tiffany and I am really excited today to talk to you about the bazillion ways, you know that's one of my favorite words, to use the vinyl roll organizer. So let me just give you the quick scoop on the vinyl roll organizer set. The new set, we've had the vinyl organizer before. This is a new group of products, a little simpler. One tray, one scrap management pocket, and 6 of the vinyl roll sleeves come in each set. So you can buy 1 or 101, whatever you need to fill your space or to organize your vinyl. Now, it is 13 inches long, 2 inches wide, 8.5 inches tall at the back, 6¼ inches tall at the front. But remember, you need enough height to actually store your vinyl. So most rolls of vinyl are 12 inches tall. Okay, so the sleeves are the perfect way to keep your vinyl rolled. So they're 11 inches long. You can see I've got 1 inch of vinyl sticking out over the top, so it's easy to pull in and out. And they're gonna wrap around any kind of vinyl. You just roll it up tight, pop it in the sleeve, and then you kind of back roll it so it fills the sleeve and it'll stand up on its own. Your scrap pocket is perfect for storing all the scraps for all the vinyl you have in that tray. Now I'm gonna recommend that you obviously store your vinyl first by type, whether it's heat transfer or sport vinyl or self-adhesive, first by type, and then of course by color, following that rainbow. You might have some themes type vinyls as well. So of course if you have a bunch of Christmas vinyl, you're going to want to keep all of that together, but mostly this is going to be something you organize by color. So when you're organizing your vinyl in your vinyl roll trays, you can add that label to the front of it. Super simple, pulls off and on the shelf, finger in the hole, off the shelf. There's what I need. Back on the shelf. All my things are put away. Really, really simple. The vinyl roll trays do fit in your lowest tote. So if you're using a lowest, you can put up to 6, I think. No, 5. You can put 5 in a lowest tote. So if you want to take your vinyl with you, perfect for that as well. So the basic use, vinyl roll organizer, pretty simple. What else are you going to be able to do with your vinyl roll organizer trays? Well, first let's talk about this, the sleeve. So the sleeve is going to help you keep anything rolled that you want to keep rolled. So I know there are a number of people who took their sleeves, cut them in half, and they use them around wrapping paper rolls. You don't need to coat the whole roll, but it will feed onto your thinner wrapping paper rolls. If you're using the giant Costco rolls, that's obviously not going to work, but for smaller rolls of wrap, it's going to work perfectly. But around your craft room, think about things that you might need to keep contained, like this. This is my craft mat. It's something that if I stuff in a tote or put in a drawer, it often gets squished, and then when I try to unroll it, it's got all those little bumps in it. So roll it up, stuff it into one of your sleeves, whether you stand it up in your vinyl roll organizer box or in the back of your craft and carry workstation. The sleeve is going to help you keep it rolled. So no tape, no rubber bands, none of that kind of stuff. Super easy, super fast, all good to go. Matter of fact, you could probably take your vinyl and label your sleeve to say craft mat, because the one thing that you want to keep in mind is that they're clear. So if you set it down somewhere, it's going to disappear. So if you're using it for something like a craft mat, use your Cricut, create a label, and then you won't lose it when you set it down on the table. Okay, so perfect for all kinds of good things. I'm going to pull them and stuff this over here, and I'm going to show you some of the other uses. So I'm going to stay in the crafting use right now. Foil, 12 by 12 foil sheets, foil still in the box, foil in a roll, foil quill. Everything's in here. If I'm going to do a foiling project, it's all right in front of me. Now, my foil quill, I also took one of the sleeves, cut the bottom, and I cut it in sort of that oval shape. You know when you buy those gift card boxes and they're kind of oval and you fold in the ends so it gives you some depth to the box? That is the same cut that I did in the bottom of this, and then now I've used it. I have cut one for each of my foil quill tips. Everything's together. It's all in one place. Really easy to use, super user friendly, and again, your scraps of foil can go into your scrap pocket as well with that. So when we talk about crafting, it's going to be great for that. Anything that's 12 by 12 is going to fit in there. So 12 by 12 paper storage pockets, 12 by 12, your 12 by 12 scrap master, any of those things, they're all going to fit in there. And again, it's going to slide into your IKEA Calyx cube. I think you can get 6 of them into a Calyx cube. It obviously slides on and off a shelf really easily. You're going to be able to transport it in your lowest tote. It's just kind of an all-purpose organization product. Journals, you know I'm a journal junkie. Bundle full of journals right there. One of the key things I want you to notice how easy it is for me to access all of these things on the shelf because of the way that they're stored. I can bring them off the shelf, bring it right to my workspace, work out of it, and then pop it back on the shelf. You know that's always one of the things I'm after. This is the 8.5 by 11, the A4 pocket, and that is also going to work in your vinyl roll tray. This is 8.5 by 11. I use this for office supply organization as well. I just have regular folders in there, but if I wanted to add those pockets in between the folders, maybe I had some budgeting things or calendar things that I wanted to have in that pocket, I could add those in as well. So not only in your craft room, but also in your office, you're gonna find a plethora of uses for the vinyl roll organizer. I'm going to hop back to craft here for a second though, and I'm going to talk about your We Are Memory Keepers punch boards, right? Punch boards are tough to store because they're not flat. Some of them, like this one, have all the extra pieces and instructions. You don't want to lose any of those things. You want to, as I'm always saying, keep things together you use together. It's a great way to organize all of your different punch boards. So get your label on the front. You've got the punch board. So this one also, this is the pinwheel board, has some special papers and some special accessories. And I've got all of them right here in my vinyl roll organizer on and off the shelf. And they're easy to use, right? When you can see your products and you can get to your products, you're going to use them, whether it's a tool or it's paper or anything like that. All those things are going to fit in the vinyl roll organizer tray. Now, the other thing that fits are our Kiwi Lane pockets. So the scrap pocket that comes with it has a smaller pocket, a 4x6 pocket, and a bigger pocket that's 8x6. But all of the Kiwi Lane pockets are going to fit in there, and you can add your own tabs to them so you can keep things organized. So these are all Kiwi Lane templates that I have in these different pockets. There's all different, I think there's 5 different pocket designs for holding different types of things. So, but things like, so these are all, I guess, the Kiwi Lane. These are scraps, right? I've got scraps of paper in there that fit those same border, Kiwi Lane border templates. They're all going to stand up in that box. But even things like stamps, you could put a magnetic sheet in there and store dies in there. We've got the 12-inch long, 6-inch deep pocket as well. And that's going to store things like stickers, thickers. You might want to have whole collections of products together. It's going to work for that as well. So you will find not only does the vinyl roll organizer set work great for organizing vinyl and foil, it's going to work all over your craft room for all kinds of different things. So a bazillion ways to use the vinyl roll organizer, and I know that you are going to find even more. I hope you'll share them with me on our social media. Not just with me, but with everybody, so we can all find more uses for our vinyl roll storage. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I know you're gonna love the new vinyl roll organizer set. It includes 1 tray, 1 pocket, and 6 of the sleeves. Have a great rest of your day.